G'day and welcome to Gardening Australia Junior. Butterflies are such beautiful creatures and they help pollinate our gardens. So let's get fluttering.
Butterfly Cafe.
Nothing like a hot beverage in a beautiful garden. I'm so excited to be planting out our cafe butterfly garden today, Frida. Butterflies are such busy animals. It'd be wonderful to give them a place to relax.
Yeah.
Oh, hang on a second there. I think you might have a little something on your face, Frida.
I think it's probably my best milk moustache yet.
Now, what kind of things do you think a butterfly cafe needs?
Freshly baked muffins, nice music, 2-for-1 hot chocolate with free marshmallows.
I don't know if butterflies like marshmallows or muffins.
They are so missing out. Maybe we should find out a bit more about what butterflies like.
Good idea. We've got to get to know our garden customers. Let's look at the lily pad. Here we go. The life cycle of a butterfly.
Oh, wow. Is that an egg?
Butterflies start their life as a tiny egg and they only lay their eggs on certain types of plants. So that's something we should keep in mind. And out of the egg comes a tiny caterpillar who is really hungry.
Wow, how cool. I'm really hungry when I wake up too.
Same. And then the caterpillar eats and becomes bigger and bigger. And then it turns into a chrysalis, which is kind of like a little cocoon. And it stays in there for a long time, anywhere between 5 days to 3 weeks.
And then when it breaks out, does it become a butterfly?
Yep. And the butterfly has a really full life where it travels around drinking nectar, helping plants reproduce. And then it lays more eggs.
Oh, we've got lots of things to think about for our butterfly cafe garden.
Definitely. Let's get to work collecting. Come on.
Butterflies live all around Australia and there are over 400 different types. But the coolest things about butterflies is watching them fly. So let's take a closer look at butterflies in flight.
A closer look.
Oh, look at all these fantastic things for a butterfly cafe. I can't wait to attract more pollinators to our garden.
And look what I found. Some pink, yellow and orange flowers.
So colourful. They're going to love that. And I really love how they're really flat so the butterflies can come in and land on them really easy and hang out.
Because butterflies love to drink nectar with their long tongue.
And here's another really fun fact about butterflies. They like sunbathing because the sun helps them charge up to give them energy to fly. And so I went and found some of these nifty flat stones that we can put into their butterfly cafe for them to come and lay on and charge in the sun like little charging pads.
Oh, cool. This is turning into the funnest cafe ever.
Sure is. And I've got one last thing. These native grasses. Because native butterflies love to come in and lay their eggs so all their babies can hang out in there.
Cool. So we even have a playground in our butterfly cafe now? I really wish I was a butterfly now.
Oh, this is going to be so decked out with everything that butterflies love. I think it might be time for us to get planting.
Let's get growing.
All right. And now it's time to water the plants in.
Hey, Hannah. I know our plants love to drink water, but do butterflies like it too?
Oh, good question, Frida. Yes, butterflies do need to drink, which gives me a fantastic idea. I'll be right back.
Well, don't be long. Our butterfly cafe will be opening soon. Costa's Hotline.
I must have fallen asleep. Hello, this is Costa's Hotline. If you grow it, then I'll know it. How can I help you?
Hey, Costa. I want to know, what's the biggest butterfly in Australia?
Oh, that's a big question. The biggest butterfly in Australia is the Ornithoptera euphorbium, also known as the Cairns birdwing butterfly. They live across the northeast of Australia and have been spotted from Mackay to Cooktown. The rainforest is their favourite place to be, and the wingspan of the female can measure up to 18 centimetres wide. I guess they don't call it the birdwing butterfly for nothing, hey?
Wow, so cool. Thanks, Costa.
No worries. There's so many cool facts out there, so keep digging deeper.
Okay, I will. Bye.
Thanks for calling Costa's Hotline. Bye.
Phew, I've made it back. We've got to have this butterfly chino on the menu.
Ugh, that kind of looks like my dad's coffee.
Well, I guess it looks a little bit gross, but that's just because it's for the butterflies, not for us. It's just a bit of water mixed in with some mud and sand, just the way the butterflies like it.
Well, I guess we all have different tastes.
Definitely. And I think this is looking pretty fantastic. And I think it's finished. What do you reckon, Frida?
Yeah, let's go and find the perfect spot for it in the garden.
Let's go!
My backyard.
Have a look at this beautiful animal that I'll be showing you today. This butterfly is the Heteronympha merlo, or the common brown.
I like common browns because they have blue spots on them right there, and their orange looks kind of like a mark a little bit.
Butterflies are the best. We love butterflies.
Have a look at how beautiful and detailed her wings are.
And I made my own butterfly.
The type of butterfly I like is a monarch butterfly, and so are orange butterflies.
The next time you're in your garden, keep a lookout for these beauties.
Bye.
Well, the butterfly cafe looks so fantastic here, but there's still no butterflies.
Maybe the butterflies don't like our cafe.
Hang on a minute. What's that? Is that what I think it is?
It's our first butterfly customer.
Oh, yes. It's the first of many happy customers at the Butterfly Cafe. Creating a habitat by providing lots of plants that they like is a wonderful thing we can do for our winged friends.
And it's one of the best ways to find out all the different types of butterflies that fly around your garden.
Now, that's a cafe I'd love to hang out at. Creating a beautiful spot for butterflies to visit is a great way to get more pollinators into your garden. So, what are you waiting for? Go on and get out there. You never know what magic you might create.